Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the photo chart of GBPUSD in front of us right now. In this video, I'll not be stretching about these levels and all because I have already talked in detail about these lines that you see on the screen. If you want to know more in detail, please watch my previous videos where I have talked in detail because I do not want to bore you by repeating the same stuff again and again. So let's get to the point. So right now you can see that market is trading in the middle 1.3829. This is the current market price, and as you can see that market is trading in the middle here. So if you buy here, your stop loss will be here because this level 1.3780 is a proper strong stop loss. This is a support from the weekly chart. So if you buy here, your stop loss will be below this level because 1.3780 is a strong support for the market. So if you buy here, then your take profit target will be here because this is the resistance for the market. And right now you can see that if you buy here, your risk to reward ratio does not match. On the other hand, if you sell also, okay, if you go for sale also, then also your risk to reward ratio is not much in your favor. You will be taking a huge risk because your stop loss will be above this resistance. So you're getting the point right now. Because if you are thinking to execute any order here, then this is not the right place to do anything. This is your no trading zone because your risk to reward ratio is not in your favor. On the other hand, if you look at the chart of DXY here, and as we all know, DXY US dollar has got a huge impact on forex market. It has a correlation with GBP USD. When dollar US dollar goes up, GBP goes down. When dollar goes down, GBP goes up. And you can see that after this huge fall, USD US dollar is in sideways right now. So after taking support here, it has gone up and right now trading here. So US dollar is sideways, and if you just focus on the chart of GBP USD, then for GBP USD also we get the same picture. GBP USD also is in sideways right now. So what should be our strategy then? The strategy is simple. In a sideways market, as we all know, the area of value or the best trading opportunities are at the support as well as the resistance. So wait for the market to go up, hit this level, or come down and hit this level. In case market goes up and reaches the resistance level, then you can short the market. Okay, you can short the market. If you find market reversing from here, just make sure that you get the confirmation in the form of a shooting star or a bearish engulfing pattern like this. Once you see that uh, market is facing resistance, the price is struggling near the resistance, then you'll get the confirmation that this is a very strong resistance for the market and you can short the market right away. On the other hand, if market comes down and reaches this level 1.3780 level, this is a very strong support for the market because this is a weekly support. Okay, this support from the weekly chart. So in case market comes down to the 1.3780 level, then there is a good opportunity of market bouncing from here. In case you find GBP USD going below this level, then also do not short the market because you can see that I have got two lines drawn here, 1.3780 to 1.3750. This is a support zone for the market. This is a support zone for the market. Okay. So in case market comes down, there is a good possibility that market will be bouncing from here. So wait and watch. Right now market is in the middle, so do not trade in the middle. As I always say, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. So let's wait and watch and wait for the perfect opportunity. Okay, so be careful and please follow proper risk management. As we all know, being a trader, your most important duty is to protect your own capital. And my dear friends, last month I have launched a Pro Trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis where I share the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you're interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, please go to my website avilashhazarika.com and just click on the Pro Trader button. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.